Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have a little experience report with the Steam support. So I had problems with the index controllers and with the headset itself there were some audio problems, and so I contacted the Steam support. And how that works and what the result was, I will show you in this video. Perhaps this is a little surprise for you. So you can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Bars, my Andy Defenser, VR Ambassador and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's first check out how you can get to the Steam support with your Steam hardware. So if you have any problems with your Valve Index, for example, just go on Steam. I have the desktop app here, and then go on Help, and then go on Steam support. Everything is in German now, sorry, but I will of course translate that for you. But I think most of that is the same. So you see that menu here, and then you go on Steam hardware here, and then of course Steam VR, and then Valve Index. And then here you have some help topics here. Perhaps there's something interesting for you, but if you want to contact the support directly, go here on contact Steam support, and then they want you to do a Steam VR report. So you open Steam VR, then you go to do a system whatever, it will create a file that you will have to attach here. So this will be in English, of course. Then you will see what you can do. So what I did, I went to this menu here, and then I wrote, okay guys, I ordered the Valve Index and I have problems with the left index controller. That's the first problem. It doesn't click when I push the button. And the second problem is the left speaker of my index headset is broken. And yeah, then I wrote that, and after one day, I think, less than 24 hours, they contacted me and said, okay, thank you for your email, and we need some information. So first they wanted the 2 serial numbers of the index controllers from me. They are engraved in the controllers. They will send you a file where you can exactly see where you can find the serial number. And then I wrote back to them the 2 serial numbers, and the second thing, they wanted me to switch to loosen the screw of the index controller audio speakers and change them to the other side to see if the audio speakers are broken itself or the cable from the headset, the connection. Then I switched them, and still it was on the left side, so it was not the speaker. So they told me then, okay, we need to replace the headset and both index controllers. That's crazy. So they wanted me to send the serial number of the headset itself as well. They will also send you a manual how you can find the serial number of the headset. And then I wrote it back. And then I asked what to do now. Do I have to send you back the broken one first, or will I get the new one first? And that was really cool. They told me, no, don't send it back, just wait for the new one. So they instantly sent me the new one, and they sent me a free retour ship sticker, so that I don't have to pay for the shipment back of the broken system. And then after, I think, 5 days, the replace unit and the replace controllers arrived, and then I sent back the broken ones. And that was so cool. That was really, I didn't expect that, because I heard from other people that they have problems with the index, with the Steam support. But for me, that was really cool, and I did not expect that. So that was my experience with the Steam support. It was absolutely perfect, especially because I need my index. I can't send it back for 1 week and don't have my index. And that was really cool. So yet now the question is, what was your experience with the Steam support? Do you have a bad experience or also a positive experience? That would be really interesting for the community. So please write it in the comments below, perhaps even a longer story if you have some time. That would be very interesting. However, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to support me, then consider donating $1 per month via Patreon or YouTube membership. Then you get behind the scenes videos and you will see what's behind me without the green screen, for example. That would be very interesting perhaps. So you can find it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE